Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam inventory not loading using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken item links on your current setup session, so your trading items and digital cards load safely onto your monitor layout. Step 1. Open your main personal inventory tab. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and navigate directly into your personal digital item warehouse room. Move your mouse pointer up to the top of your screen workspace, hover over your big personal account profile name, look down the drop-down selection list, and click once on the word labeled Inventory. Watch for your main item display panel to try to open right in the middle of your monitor screen view, because you need to reach the exact page that is hitting the loading wall before you can apply any fixes. Opening this specific section gives you a clear baseline view of what your system is struggling to load. Without opening this tab first, the program engine will not focus its background file scanning tools on your item bags. Step 2. Clean out your internal web browser storage files. Next, you need to head over to your main application settings and use the built-in Cleaner button to wipe out the temporary internet files that are clogging up your item views. Move your cursor to the top left corner, click Steam, choose the Settings button, click on the row that says In-Game or Interface on the left side menu, locate the button that says Delete Web Browser Data and click it once. Click the OK or Confirm button when the safety pop-up window asks if you want to wipe your history, and wait 2 seconds for the task to finish flat against your background view. Because your item inventory screen is actually just a private mini internet web page operating inside your software. As you look at hundreds of different items over time, your computer card piles up old web pictures and broken tracking data links. When this tiny folder gets too stuffed, the item grid stops working and freezes entirely. Sweeping this box clean forces the application to load a brand new, clean web view from scratch. Now you need to slip inside your personal profile rules and toggle your visibility settings back and forth to force the master network servers to re-verify your item bag. Click on your account name at the top, click Edit Profile, select the choice on the left menu that says Privacy Settings, look at the row labeled Inventory, switch it from Public to Private, wait 5 seconds, and change it back to Public. Watch your choice circles update on the screen layout to ensure your new visibility rules are locked in tight. Because the network servers can sometimes get completely desynchronized from your actual account. When the network gets confused, it blocks the software from reading what items you own to protect your safety. Flipping your inventory from public to private and back acts like a hard manual reset on your personal server file lock. It wakes up the server path and forces it to rebuild your entire item list immediately. And that's it. To fix Steam inventory not loading, you must first click your account name at the top and open your inventory panel on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the Settings menu under the Interface options and click Delete Web Browser Data to wipe out your clogged internet files. Next, you look at your screen canvas rows to open your privacy settings and toggle your inventory rules from public to private and back to wake up the servers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.